Today we're gonna make manual backup of our website using cPanel. So under cPanel we're gonna go to File Manager and go find public HTML. And we're gonna select all the files on that folder. And now we're gonna compress it. As a zip archive, or you can choose any format you wish. This may take a while, it depends on your website size and your internet connection, so you need to wait depending on the size of your website. This website is a large website. It has a lot of files and a lot of media, so it's gonna take a while, so I'm speeding up the video. I hope you guys could share with me if you need any specific tutorial, and I will make it. Here we have, at the moment, all the files has been compressed, and we can now just find it and download it. It's gonna be a zip file that is 33 gigabytes. So we're gonna save this zip file in our local drive and then go back to our cPanel page. We're gonna look for phpMyAdmin under the database category. As this website only has one database, or the server has only one database, you're just gonna go and select it and export. So you could choose the format of the database you want, and it's preferably to go with default and export it as SQL file. Now we have successfully made a manual backup and stored locally that you can restore at any time to your server, or if you want to migrate your website. So this is our tutorial for today. I hope it was helpful, and thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.